Hello guys, we come up with a new video in Learn How to Code. Today we will learn the concepts of conditional statements, logical operators to find the smallest and largest number. So let's start our video. We will declare three numbers only to find the largest and smallest among them. If you want to find the largest and smallest number among more numbers, then you can apply the conditional and logical operators accordingly. So we will declare only three variables to take the concept how to find the smallest and largest number. So declare three variables, that it will be a, b and c. We have declared three integer variables. Now we will take these values from user. So what we will do, we will ask user to enter first number. We will copy the same statement and paste below for 3. Here we will change b second value, and here we change c for third value, and here for second number and third number. Here we have taken three values from users, which are a, b and c. Now what will we do to find the smallest and largest number among them? To make it beautiful, we add an extra line. Now we will apply here conditional statement. What is conditional statement? If else if statements are conditional statements in which we apply conditions. Either one condition is true or other is true. So we apply conditional statements to check. Conditional statements are also called if else statements. So we apply conditional statements like this. The syntax of conditional statement is if first condition a is greater than b and a is also greater than c. What here we do, a is greater than b and a is greater than c. If a is greater than b and also greater than c, then a is the largest number. Here we apply this, and here we add a symbol which is called AND operator. AND operator is a logical operator which do the same work as AND operator. You know about AND operator. AND operator do if both statements are true, then it will execute, otherwise it will not execute the body. Now what AND is doing here, if a is greater than b and a is greater than c, if these both conditions are true, then it will execute the body, which will see out that the largest number is a. It will execute this. If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, and is doing the same work as AND operator. If both these statements are true, then it will execute the body, otherwise it will not execute the body. Now we will copy the same and paste below. For the next, we will apply else here. Else if b is greater than a, now we will change the conditions. If b is greater than a and b is greater than c, the same is doing here. Now it will check the conditions for b, either b is greater than a and b is greater than c or not. If else if all these conditions are executed at once. If statement is true, it will not execute the others. If else if is true, it will not execute other. So for the last, we will only apply else. We will not write any condition in else statement, because the other is else. If a is true, if a is larger, it will execute a. If b is largest, it will execute b. And else we have only c. So we will write here that the largest number here is c. It will execute c if c is greater. Here we get three concepts. First, how to find the largest number. Second, what is logical operators and what is the concept of AND operator. And third one is how to apply the conditional statements. Now we will do the same for the smallest number. Just copy it and paste below. Just change the operators. Relational operators, these greater than, equal to, lesser than, equal to, are called relational operators. These are relational operators. We just change the relational operators to find the smallest number. To make it beautiful, just we enter here cout the largest for largest number. We are doing the process below for largest number, and here cout for smallest number. Here we get three concepts how to find the largest number, smallest number, logical operators, and the conditional statement. And one thing we also learn is relational operator, which is lesser than, greater than, and equal to. Equal to is also called assignment operator, but it is included in rational operators. In conditional operators, logical operators, we have three logical operators. We will learn the concept of this also. Logical operators. What are logical operators? Logical operators, we have three logical operators: and, 2 times and, this one is or, 2 straight dashes are or, and the last one is not. These are three logical operators. What they do? And operator, and act like as and gate. If both statements are true, it will execute the body, otherwise it is not. Second one is or. Or is also doing the same as or gate. If any of the statement is true, it will execute the body. Like if we apply here or, we write here or, then it will do if B is greater than A and B is greater than C. If any of statement in these two is true, it will execute the body. For example, B is greater than A, but B is not greater than C. It will execute that B is the largest one. But we want to check that B will be greater if it is greater than both from A and C. So we will apply and, because all conditions will check. And third one we have is not operator. Not, it's both of these are binary operators, and the not operator is unary operator because there is only one operand, but in these two we have two ones. So these are called logical operators. The concept is very important. You should know that and, where we have to apply and operator, where we have to apply or operator, and where we have to apply not operator. And will change your body accordingly, and or will change it accordingly. I also told you the concept of or. We will check also by applying or. Okay, now we will execute our function to check the smallest and largest numbers. Let's run it. First number we are entering is 4, second one is 7, and the third one is 1. 7 here, and the smallest one is 1. We didn't change the name for largest, so it is executing the largest also. Here we have to write smallest number, sorry for that. It's executing the same small as we copy, so it's executing the same. Smallest and small. As you saw that it's working, we can execute again. Now we can simply write 1, 2, and 3. You can see that 3 is the largest one and the 1 is smallest one. If you want to do for greater numbers, means you want to increase your numbers to check the largest and smallest number, you can just increase your variables and then your user values, and then you have to apply the conditional statements and use the logical operators accordingly to find the smallest and largest number. It's very easy concept. We don't have the concept of arrays and loops yet, so we can do it with conditional statements. Otherwise, with loops and arrays, to find the smallest and largest number is very easy. So in our new videos or in our upcoming video, we will learn the concepts of arrays and loops, and then we will do it very fastly. Thank you for watching this video.